Hey, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5, Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline 6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4, Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3, Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0 cell turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2, Toyota 2GR-V 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2GR-V has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2GR-V showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1, Toyota 1UZ FE 4.0 LV8. The 1UZ is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.
Are you on the hunt for a reliable ride with a touch of luxury? Then buckle up because we're diving into the world of BMW, uncovering the top 10 most dependable bimmers you can find. From iconic classics to modern marvels, we'll explore models that have stood the test of time, delivering performance and reliability in equal measure. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. F30 BMW 3 Series. Kicking off our list is the F30 BMW 3 Series, a car that's as good as it gets in the realm of reliability. While it may not be renowned for bulletproof dependability, landing the right spec can make all the difference. Opting for models like the 340i or 330i with newer and more reliable engines can help steer clear of potential issues. And for our diesel-loving friends across the pond, models like the 320d offer a solid choice, though not without their own quirks. Number 9. F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo. Next up, we have the F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo, a hidden gem in BMW's lineup. Despite its unconventional appearance, this cheat code car excels in practicality and comfort. With fewer units sold in the US, owning one guarantees turning heads, for better or for worse. And when it comes to specs, opting for the 6-cylinder variants like the 535i ensures a smoother ride. Number 8. G30 BMW 5 Series. Moving on, we have the G30 BMW 5 Series, a true testament to BMW's commitment to reliability. Boasting an impressive score on J.D. Power's reliability scale, this executive sedan is a top pick for the budget-conscious buyer. With turbocharged powertrains across the board, models like the 530i or 540i strike the perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Number 7. F44 BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Surprise, surprise! The F44 BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe makes its mark as a reliable entry-level model. Packed with power and precision, this compact sedan offers a stress-free driving experience. Whether you opt for the 228i or M225i spec, you're in for a treat, with minimal maintenance hassles and a low probability of major repairs. Number 6. G001 BMW X3. When it comes to SUVs, the G001 BMW X3 reigns supreme in the realm of reliability. Sharing its DNA with its sedan siblings, this third-generation variant offers unmatched dependability and value for money. Whether you go for the S-Drive 30i or X-Drive 30i, you're guaranteed a smooth ride with minimal hiccups along the way. Number 5. F25 BMW X3. The second-generation BMW X3, particularly post-LCI variants, earns its spot as one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. With a spacious interior and a range of engine options, including the legendary N52 inline-six, the F25 X3 delivers a comfortable and dependable ride at an affordable price point. Number 4. E39 BMW 5 Series. Stepping back in time, we encounter the legendary E39 BMW 5 Series, revered for its timeless design and unparalleled reliability. Equipped with naturally aspirated straight-six engines, this classic model stands the test of time, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Number 3. E83 BMW X3. The first-generation E83 BMW X3 secures its place as a reliability powerhouse in BMW's lineup. With a reputation for bulletproof performance and a range of engine options, including the robust M54 unit, the E83 X3 remains a top choice for those seeking a dependable SUV. Number 2. E90 BMW 3 Series. The fifth-generation E90 BMW 3 Series strikes the perfect balance between performance and reliability. With a range of engine options, including the venerable N52 straight-six, this iconic model continues to impress with its dynamic capabilities and overall dependability. Number 1. E46 BMW 3 Series. Topping our list is the iconic E46 BMW 3 Series, a true testament to BMW's legacy of reliability and versatility. With a range of body styles and engine options, including the legendary M54-powered variants, the E46 remains a timeless classic beloved by enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, folks. From modern marvels to timeless classics, BMW continues to set the standard for reliability and excellence in the automotive world. Whether you're in the market for a practical sedan or a rugged SUV, these top 10 most reliable BMWs offer a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.